All right, here we go. Whitebone creations defined in 60 seconds. Our tagline and mantra reads, respectfully creating and preserving outdoor memories. That time in the outdoors, start to finish. Priceless films, photos, and keepsakes that will last for many generations. We pride ourselves on content that the entire family can watch always. Hunting, fishing, cooking, and how-tos. Relatable, easy to follow, DIY projects mixed with a little nonsense and humor. Clean, sharp images, film, and communication. My name is Ryan Olson, and I want to personally and humbly welcome you to the Whitebone Creations channel. I hope you enjoy and find some value here during your time with us. Thank you so much for watching.
Not every camera guy can do that.